Good morning children, welcome for today's lecture. Today we'll go through a new lesson, that is lesson 2.7, Great Scientist. I'll read and explain. See, great scientists are preserving and never deterred by difficulties. In the block it is given. Michael Faraday is regarded as one of the most distinguished scientists and inventors of modern times, and his work on electricity is still a subject of study in the form of Faraday's law. But few knew his inspirational life story, which is all about courage and fighting against the odds. So what it is, Michael Faraday was one of the most famous scientists and inventors of modern times, and he was very much interested in electricity. Today it is known as Faraday's laws, and it is still existing today, and no one knows about a story, inspirational story, life story. So how it is? Michael Faraday was born into a very poor family in London suburb. Then he was suffering from a speech defect. He was not able to talk fluently. When he was 12, his mother was forced to take him away from school and thus ended his formal education. Then at 13, he started working in a press as a bookbinder. Day and night he worked there, and also he went through the books connected to electricity. He was very much interested in the electricity. Then he was still poor at the age of 21. One day Humphrey Davy gave him a ticket to attend a demonstration. Then in 1812 Faraday was spellbound by Davy's lecture. Then he kept taking notes about all those things that Davy explained in his lecture, and even he forgot to give a applaud among the public. He was so much interested. Then destiny, fate had changed him. What happened? A chemical explosion happened in the lab, and Davy was temporarily blinded. So he was not able to carry on his activities in the laboratory. So he thought at that time Faraday's name came into his mind, and he appointed Faraday to do the experiments in his lab. Then Davy did not have much hope for Faraday. Faraday got chance to prove himself. Actually, Davy was not much impressed with Faraday's knowledge, but this was a good opportunity for Faraday to prove his capacity. One day Davy tried to recreate a famous electromagnetism experiment with fellow chemist William Watson, exploring why when an electric current is applied to a wire, it causes that wire to behave like a magnet. So how current is applied to a wire and how it behaves like a magnet. This was the experiment to be done. The forces were connected, but nobody had figured how to make it continuously. Davy believed that if he could find out why it happened and controlled it, there could be many practical applications of the force. But he was unable to figure it out and was frustrated. He then teased Faraday, asking him to try his hand, and after he was cleaning the lab. Within few days, Faraday solved the problem. In fact, he went further, and the result was the first induction motor which converted electrical current into continuous mechanical motion. So the work which Davy had handed over to Faraday was cleared by Faraday, and the result was that because of the induction motor, it converted electric current into mechanical motion. Understood? And this was the machine used in swaying machines, photographs, fans, etc. And this was cleared by Faraday, and he became a well-known scientist overnight. Nobody cared for his status or anything. One thing, as a teacher, Davy was unhappy at his pupils' achievement, and Davy was very much happy of Faraday's work of action, how he did it sincerely. An angry Davy gave Faraday an impossible task. He handed him a piece of Bavarian glass, which was used in the lenses in telescope and microscope, and asked him to reverse engineer it. Bavarian glass was given, which is used in microscope and telescopes, and it was asked to reverse engineer it. Faraday had a never give up attitude, and he respected Davy. He accepted all the assignments and the work given by Davy, and he used to work day and night. But to find an answer or solution for this Bavarian glass was a little bit tough, and it was become possible. By the time in 1829, Davy died, and after that Faraday succeeded all the work of and started doing all the work done by Davy. He noticed that if he moved a magnet, it could produce electric current. It converted motion into electricity. Faraday was now a legend. In 1840, he developed memory laws which continued for the rest of his life. He started losing his memory, but still he started working on the electricity and especially on the Bavarian glass. Then he took the old age experiment of painting iron fillings on a sheet of paper near a magnet, making circular patterns, making round patterns. He started doing experiments. Fortunately, favored the brave Faraday once again when he met James Maxwell, a wealthy, educated physicist well versed in mathematics. So, what happened? Faraday was not good in mathematics. Everything, equations and all, used to copy down and write by hand. So, one day he met a friend called what is his name? James Maxwell. He was named James Maxwell and he was very much good in maths, and all the mathematical work was done by James Maxwell. We might be able to communicate with aliens across some different galleries using the product. Faraday's life started with difficulties, but as a great scientist, he met each difficulty with perseverance and conviction. In short, what it is, Faraday's life was totally miserable and very hard working, but he faced the life with great conviction and confidence and determination. He was given impossible tasks when he undertook challenges and opportunity. Impossible tasks were given to him, but he undertook all those tasks easily and started finding solutions for them. And then when you wish upon a star, it does not matter who you are. If you wish you want that star or you want to reach that star, no matter whatever it is, if you have the determination, if you have the willpower, somehow the way or the other you will get. So this is the lesson. Understood? But through great difficulties, undergoing a lot of difficulties, having great willpower, he got this position as a great scientist, and he became a well-known scientist overnight, and being dedicated to his work. This is the lesson. So this is the hard works: inventors, suburb, obsession, binding, demonstration, conversation, meanings: deterred by, discouraged by, comprehensive, complete, mentor, guide, relentless, persistent, indispensable, absolutely necessary. So this is the lesson. In this lesson, short notes of Faraday may come. Fill in the blanks I have given you already. So read the lesson moving your fingers. It's very interesting. In short, only one point to remember, that Faraday went through very hard days, but through his relentless hard work, dedication, determination, he achieved his aim of becoming a scientist. This is the summary of this lesson. I hope you might have understood this lesson. Read the lesson properly. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.